Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to master the art of the smoky eye, but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're doing A. I'm going to show you step by step how to create the perfect smoky eye that's sultry, bold, and wearable for any occasion. Let's get smoking. First things first, prepping your eyelids is key to making sure your smoky eye lasts all day or night. I'm using an eyeshadow primer to create a smooth canvas and ensure that our eyeshadow doesn't crease or fade. Just apply a thin layer on your lids and blend it out with your finger. Next, we want to set the primer and create a neutral base. I'm using a light beige or neutral eyeshadow all over the lid. This will help all the darker shadows blend easily later on and give us a smooth starting point. Now we're going to add some depth by defining the crease. Using a soft brown shadow, apply it to your crease and blend it back and forth in windshield wiper motions. This is going to create a subtle gradient effect and help the dark colors blend seamlessly later. Don't worry about being too precise right now. Just get that color in and blend. Here's where the magic happens. To create the smoky effect, we're going to apply a dark eyeshadow. Think dark brown, black, or even a deep plum, on the outer corners of the eyelid. Use a flat brush to press the color into the outer third of your eyelid, then start blending it inward. You want the darkest color to be concentrated on the outer corner. Now blend, blend, blend. This is where we achieve that beautiful smoky effect. Using a clean blending brush, gently blend the dark shadow into the crease so there are no harsh lines. The key to a smoky eye is making sure the shadows seamlessly fade into each other, so take your time and make sure everything is blended to perfection. To open up the eyes and add a little brightness, let's add a pop of shimmer to the inner corners of the eyes. You can use a light champagne, gold, or even a pearly white shadow. This will create a contrast against the darker shades and give your eyes that gorgeous pop. Next, let's add eyeliner. For a smoky eye, I prefer using a pencil or gel liner because they're easier to smudge. Start by lining the top lash line and then smudge it out with a smudge brush to soften the look. You can also line the lower lash line and smoke it out for a sultry finish. To complete the look, we need to define our lashes. Apply a generous coat of mascara to both your upper and lower lashes. This step really opens up the eyes and brings everything together. If you want extra volume, feel free to apply a second coat. Sometimes dark shadows can fall down onto your face, so here's a little trick. Use a makeup wipe or a cotton pad to gently clean up any fallout and sharpen the edges of your eyeshadow. This will keep your look clean and crisp.